Hello, and welcome to Excel Sorting Information. So I've opened up the spreadsheet, and you can see that I've adjusted the widths of the columns in order to make it a little bit easier to read. So first thing that we're going to do is sort these by income. See who makes the most money, who makes the least amount of money. So to do that, I start on income, and I'm going to highlight all these values. So you click and drag over all the values. And now that I've got that, the white tells me which one it's going to sort based off of. So because the income is highlighted, I go up to sort. If I want to go smallest to largest, it's going to sort the incomes from smallest to largest. And because I have all the columns highlighted, it's also going to change all the corresponding information as well. So if we look at the first one, number one, Alfonso Joseph makes $42,000. So if I sort smallest to largest, we now need to go back down and double check. So 42,000 is Joseph Alonso, number one. So it kept all of the rows together and sorted everything based on income. If I want to reverse the process, if I make a mistake, Control Z puts it all back to the way it was. If I want to go incomes from highest to lowest, largest to smallest, then I can do that. And now we can see that $55,000 is the largest income, and it kept all of the rest of the information together. Now, often when you sort things multiple times, you don't want to have to keep going in and sorting it. So what we can do is come down here. Now, where it says sheet one, we can actually think of this as a binder, and we can have multiple pages in our binder. So I right click on that, and I want to move or copy, and I want to create a copy. Click OK, and it creates a copy for me. And I can rename that income. And this one we're going to do cities. Sorry, double click on it, cities. And again, like most programs, there's multiple ways to organize things and do things. So don't worry if somebody else tells you a different method. There's lots of ways to sort information. Now for the next one, we're going to highlight the entire columns. So when I click the sort and filter, I want to do custom. I can't highlight city and drag the cursor across everything. So what I have to do is a custom sort. So the city is column E. So I go into here. Column E is what I want to sort by. And I want to go from A to Z. So we're going to have the cities listed alphabetically from A to Z. So I click on OK. Now you'll notice that it also sorted the city part. Or titles, not what I want. So I'm going to cut that information. I'm going to go up to the top, right click here and insert cut cells, and boom, puts those titles back up the start for me. So if we look at our cities, we can see it starts off with Calgary, goes to Edmonton, Grand Prairie, Mayerthorpe. So it does go through these in order alphabetically for us, and it kept the rest of the information intact. So if we look down here, our 42,000 income, and let's look at record numbers. That'll be a little easier. There we go. So row 19, number one, Alfonso Joseph made 42,000, and he's located in Edmonton. So you can see that information stayed together, and now we have them sorted by cities. So if I want to look by cities, I click on this one. If I want to figure out income, I click on this one. So please run through the instructions, and good luck with the assignment.